I just told Boo that I was going to cut his nails, and then he jumped on top of the cat tower. He also tried to bite me. Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the lucky ferals. Good morning, Stella. It's 8:39 a.m. Stella's been playing with the snakes this morning. I put the snake video on the tablet for the cats, and I put their snake toys around it. They've been enjoying themselves while I've been getting ready for my day. Here's Simba. Here's Splash. Good morning, Stella. You're such a pretty girl. And here's Boo. Boo's watching it from the shelf. It is 8:47 a.m. I just opened the back door and Hydrox was laying across the patio on the bushes, and the minute I opened the door, he came running toward the door. And if a cat could ever have a big smile on his face, Hydrox just had a big smile on his face, like he was so happy that I was opening the door. That's huge for Hydrox to come running to the door when I opened it. That's what the other cats used to do. Let me put some food together for him. I just gave Hydrox some more canned food with water mixed in. It was some leftover Trader Joe's turkey and giblets food. It's very important for cats to get water, so I made it extra soupy for him. All health lies in the kidneys. No matter what kind of health problem a cat may have or a human may have, it's all related to kidney function. So always make sure cats are properly hydrated. Look, he finished it all. Good boy, Hydrox. It is 9:25 p.m. and I was sitting down to relax for like the first time today. And I wanted to eat some dinner because I came home and then I went outside and I was doing yard work. Because with all the rain, everything is growing like crazy. It's like a jungle outside. So all I want to do is sit down, eat some dinner, and relax. Then when I got out of the shower, Stella made sure she spent some time laying on top of my legs, and Boo jumped on the bed also. So the cats ate dinner maybe like 2 hours ago before I went outside, and they ate, let's say, half the food that I gave them. Stella wants me to turn the tablet on for her. So I didn't think anything of it. I went outside, but when I came back in, I noticed that all the food was gone. Like all the food was eaten. And I was like, oh, someone came down and finished all the food. So as I'm sitting down to eat my dinner, I start hearing that noise, that pumping noise, the noise that sounds like a cat is vomiting or regurgitating food. I knew it wasn't Stella or Simba because I could see them and they were just sitting there. And then I thought maybe it was Splash because I could only see like the back of him. But when I looked at the front of him, I didn't see him vomiting. At which point I knew it was Boo, but I didn't know where Boo was. And this is where I found Boo. I mean, look at all of this food. Like, how does a cat fit all of that in their stomach? Crazy. But at least he puked on the floor and not on a rug. Then he moved over and he finished puking here. Again, I was just really happy it was on the floor and not on a rug. Right now it's 10 p.m. I'm just sitting here relaxing for a few minutes, and then I want to finish editing a video to post tonight because I started it before, but I did not get to finish it. And Splash has been staring at me. He looks very tired right now. And Stella has been staring at me. And Simba has been staring at me. Simba looks like he can't keep his eyes open. And Boo has been sitting right next to me staring at me. What's the matter, Boo? You don't like me putting a camera in your face? You feel okay, Boo? You feeling better? It's 9:45 a.m. and I got up late today because I'm exhausted. And I just looked out the window and there's the family of geese, and someone just gave them like some kind of food. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was like a bread bag, like a bunch of breadcrumbs or what, but someone just fed the geese. I'm setting up today's live stream, and I want to give a shout out to everyone who gave a super chat yesterday. So I want to give a shout out to Tracy Yoshida, who donated $2 through super chat. She says, "Good morning, Boo." And I want to give a shout out to Kazumeti, who donated £2 through super chat. They say, "Boo Loaf brings me joy." And I want to give a shout out to CR Barboni, who donated $8 through Super Chat. He says, "Boo, you really know how to live. We love you." Thank you guys so much for your generous support. I just told Boo that I was going to cut his nails, and then he jumped on top of the cat tower. He also tried to bite me. Boo, you don't bite me. That's mean. And Boo says, "You don't cut my nails. That's mean." It's 1:15 p.m. Boo is on the live stream. And here's Stella. Stella's been laying in the sun by the back door. "Stella, I gotta go. I gotta get to work. That means I gotta shut the door, okay?" "Okay, Stella, come on. I gotta shut the door. Come on. Move over." It is 8:15 p.m. We just ended today's live stream, and I want to give a shout out to Bob Chang for the $15 super chat. HK, I think that's Hong Kong, $15. I could be totally wrong. I don't know. But either way, thank you so much, Bob. Splash, eat your food. I just fed the cats their dinner. They are having some of the Primal Raw freeze-dried rabbit nuggets, which I have reconstituted with water, and hopefully they'll eat them. I put a few crunchies on top. I forgot to defrost the homemade raw food, and I also don't have much homemade raw food left. I have like enough for another 1 or 2 meals. Stella says, "What are you trying to feed me? I really don't like that." It's 9:30 p.m. and I just happened to look out the back door and I saw something that I've never seen before. Hydrox is laying on the patio, but he was all stretched out. Like, you see how his back paws are stretched out? Well, his front paws were stretched out like that, and then his head was like back. Like, he was just totally super comfy. And I went to get the camera and then he moved. So he's a little bit more unstretched out. But I'm gonna give him the other half of a can of food. So for dinner so far, he's had a scoop of the homemade raw food with water mixed in. Then he had half of a can of the Trader Joe's ocean whitefish, and I'm gonna give him the other half of a can just because look, he's funny. I feel like he's starting to loosen up a little bit. I gave Hydrox his food. At first he backed away, but then he came over to eat it once I came inside. Splash, would you like some crunchies? You want some crunchies? Splash? You want crunchies? Do you? Stella, you want some crunchies? Do you want crunchies? They look like they're like on your mark, get set, go. Simba, would you like some crunchies? You want crunchies? Booty, you want some crunchies? Here's the crunchy jar. All right. What would the cats do if I just put the crunchy jar there? They're gonna go in it? Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.